Today, I'm reviewing the Zangi Private Messenger app in 2025, a lightweight, secure, and privacy-focused alternative to WhatsApp. If you're looking for a messaging app that protects your data while keeping things simple, Zangi is worth checking out. Let's start with ease of use. The app is available on iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac. The interface feels very familiar. If you've used WhatsApp before, you get chats, calls, groups, and media sharing all in one place. That means no steep learning curve when switching over. Next, let's talk about messaging and calls. You can send text, photos, videos, voice notes, and documents. Voice and video calls are crystal clear, even on slower connections. Zangi is optimized for low bandwidth, so it uses significantly less data than WhatsApp, making it great if you're on a limited plan. Where Zangi really stands out is privacy. Unlike WhatsApp, your messages are not stored on central servers. Instead, they go directly from your device to the recipients. This peer-to-peer system makes Zangi more private and harder to intercept. Another plus is data savings. Zangi claims to use up to 6 times less mobile data than traditional messengers. That's a big advantage if you travel often or rely on mobile internet. Of course, no app is perfect. Since Zangi is not as mainstream as WhatsApp, you might find fewer of your contacts already using it. That means you may need to invite friends to join. But once they do, the experience is smooth and reliable. So, should you switch? If you want a WhatsApp alternative that's private, secure, and data efficient, Zangi is a strong contender in 2025. It's lightweight, free, and works well across devices. And that's my quick review of Zangi Private Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.